when we're looking at failures, I think we need to take the stigma away from calling it a failure. So it's not failing in a sense, but it's an opportunity to learn. Hello everyone, I'm Kimberly Scott. I currently work as Analytics Manager at Luxasia, and I'm currently based in Melbourne. I've been part of the Tableau community for about 5 years, involved in projects such as Makeover Monday, Viz for Social Good and IronQuest, and I'm also part of the Mums Who Viz group. I believe that if you're not measuring your successes, you're not really giving yourself the opportunity to improve. So, how can you determine what needs to change if you're not measuring? How can you improve on what you're doing if you're not using the data to guide you? So not everything we do is going to be a success. And if we can understand why we've failed, we can take those learnings and, use those learnings to be successful next time. So in my line of work, we might send out an EDM that's underperforming for some reasons. And, rather than looking at that as a failure, let's look at why it's underperforming and what we can do to change and improve on that to make it a success next time. In our retail stores, we use the concept of a Net Promoter Score. So we call that an NPS, and we use that to gauge customer service performance and the satisfaction of our customers within our retail stores. And by gathering this data and having it visualized for our retail operations team, they're easily able to identify who our top retail assistants are and where those top stores are. But on top of that, they're also able to easily identify those retail assistants and those stores who may need a little extra help or a little extra training in order to succeed and improve those stores. To me, it's not just about measuring to ensure success, it's about celebrating those successes. So have you hit your targets? Let people know you've succeeded. Shout it from the rooftops. We feel great when we do something that succeeds, and if we're able to measure how much value we're driving, well, that's even better.